guys, Mama Dean here. So today I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick update on the farm and kind of what has to be done today. So I thought, well, what better chance with the rabbits being out to give an update on them really quick is that we are now down to 2 of our rabbits. Now, we don't know what happened to the 3rd one. We did do kind of like a walk around to see, like, okay, did they dig themselves out? What did it do? But it's like we look around everywhere and they haven't dug any tunnels out, any holes, like nothing. So what we're thinking is that the rabbit just jumped this fence and just went out and went over into the cornfield or somewhere out there that we don't know. So now our worry is was it our male? Or do we only have 2 females, or do we have a male and a female? So we're kind of trying to figure that part out. So we don't really know yet. But the rabbits are looking really good. Okay, so for those of you that are new to our channel, we have silver fox rabbits. They are a heritage breed. They are on the endangered list. So, yeah, we kind of raised some endangered rabbits. It's kind of funny. So, but no, they're actually known for their meat and everything, and their fur is just absolutely just beautiful. It's got like a black silver tint to it, and they are just absolutely just the most beautiful rabbits I've ever seen. And they're so just mild-tempered and everything. And so yeah, so they've got their food this morning. They're taken care of. So what we've got to do today is we've got to get grain for the pigs, and then so I've got to find my grain bags and get that ready so we can get rolled corn and everything. So yeah, so let's go. So a little problem that we had here on the farm is that the battery had died for the truck, so we had to get it charged up. So I'm going to hurry and get the battery put in, get it hooked up, and then fingers crossed, hopefully the truck will start, and then I can get the water tank filled, and then I've got plenty of water. Well, we already have plenty of water, but just to make sure the animals have enough water. So we'll put the battery in and see how it goes. So I have never installed a battery before, but I've seen Dusty do it, so I can do it. Alright, see if it starts. Well, I guess it's not going to work, so that's okay. I'll just have, we'll just figure it out later. So, so we'll get the grain. Okay, so I want to give you guys an update on the goats. We are just now down to 3 goats. We decided as a family that we were going to just get rid of the goats going into winter. It's just something that we don't really need right now, so we have sold Troy Boy, sorry Troy S, but Troy Boy did go to a really good family, to make sure that, and then I sold the other 2 females yesterday, Daisy and Buttercup. So they both went to a really good family. So we are just now down to the last male. Didn't name him, but he's such a cutie. And then we've got Bossy and Dee. So if we do sell them, I want them all to go together because they are just such sweethearts, but just right now it's just not something that that we need right here on the farm at this point. No. 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 No, no. Okay, so we've got 50 pounds of roast corn right in there. So drained. We got the hog mash. So everybody's good. Okay guys, thanks for watching today as we got some, I guess you call it like farm stuff done, chores, everything. So nice little helpers for the day. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.